Sketching and model making is primarily used by designers to help visualize design ideas, but these are also powerful tools for communicating ideas to others. Designers don't necessarily make the things they design, so it's vital that they communicate their design intent to those who do. Turning a rough design sketch into something that communicates effectively is, in part, about removing distractions and clarifying the essential aspects of the design. Resketch a promising design to strip away the redundant lines and irrelevant information. Drawing again from scratch is possible, but tracing is fast and efficient. In a sense, this is a distillation of the design idea. Successful elements are preserved, and those that aren't are removed or replaced by alternatives. Use fine lines for the details and features. Use thick lines to outline the object and to emphasize important details. One simple trick to add impact to your presentation is to add a background around the object. This makes it pop out and is easier to see from a distance. Add brief notes and annotations to the image. This serves a number of purposes. 1. Annotations summarize the benefits or features of the design. 2. They can serve as prompts when you're discussing your design. And 3. They remind you that you're creating a communication tool, not a piece of fine art.